Before starting this video, I just want to introduce the website friendstosupport.org, where you can find blood donors when you need. First, you need to select blood type, then you want to select your country, state and district, then submit. Then you can see who are ready to donate blood with their phone numbers, or you can register here if you want to donate. And check out this link in description below. Coming to number 9, drink water, especially before meals. Drinking water can help with weight loss, and that's true because drinking water can boost metabolism by 24 to 30% over a period of 1 hour, which helps you to burn few more calories. One study showed that drinking a half liter of water about half an hour before meals, it really helped dieters eat less calories and lose up to 40% more weight compared to those who did not drink water. Number 8. Eat eggs for breakfast. Eating whole egg can have all sorts of benefit, including helping you lose weight. Studies show that replacing a grain-based breakfast with eggs can help you eat fewer calories for the next 36 hours, as well as lose more weight and body fat. If you don't eat eggs, that's fine. Any source of quality protein for breakfast should be taken. Number 7. Drink coffee, preferably black. Quality coffee is loaded with antioxidants and can have numerous health benefits. Studies show that the caffeine in coffee can boost metabolism by 3 to 11% and increase fat burning by up to 10 to 29%. Just make sure not to add a bunch of sugar or other high calorie ingredients to your coffee. That will completely not give any benefit, so avoid that. Number 6. Drink green tea. Like coffee, green tea also has many benefits. Though green tea contains small amounts of caffeine, it is loaded with powerful antioxidants called catechins, which are believed to work synergistically with caffeine to enhance fat burning. Green tea is available at most pharmacies, health stores and grocery stores, as well as online. Check out link in description. Number 5. Eat less refined carbs. Refined carbohydrates include sugar and grains that have been stripped of their fibrous, nutritious parts. These include pasta. Studies show that refined carbs can spike blood sugar rapidly, leading to hunger, cravings, and increased food intake a few hours later. Eating refined carbs is strongly linked to obesity. One more important thing that if you are going to eat carbs, make sure to eat them with the natural fiber. Number 4. Use smaller plate. Using smaller plates has been shown to help some people automatically eat fewer calories. Number 3. Eat spicy foods. Chili peppers containing a spicy compound that can boost metabolism, appetite slightly. Number 2. Do aerobic exercise. Doing aerobic exercise cardio is an excellent way to burn calories and improve your physical and mental health. It appears to be particularly effective for losing belly fat, and you can also be safe from unhealthy fat that tends to build up around your organs and cause metabolic disease by doing aerobic exercise. Number 1. Get good sleep. Sleep is highly underrated but may be just as important as eating healthy and exercising. Studies show that poor sleep is one of the strongest risk factors for obesity, as it's linked to an 89% increased risk of obesity in children and 55% in adults. Things to avoid if you want to get weight loss as quick as possible. Don't do sugary drinks including soda and fruit juices. So guys, if you learned something from our channel DKS Medico, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon not to miss any updates. I share videos on healthcare benefits and tips. That's it for today. Bye bye, take care. You guys have a great day.
Zombie apocalypse.